Good early morning. We're so glad you're here. We daily vlog, so if you enjoy this video, come back tomorrow, and tomorrow, and tomorrow. It is moving day to our new apartment. Alright, off to a great start. I got here about right at 7 a.m., which is, it would have been cool to get here at 6, but it would have been unrealistic to get here at 6. I got here at 7, picked up the truck, which was cool because I used the app, so it was like 24 hours, so like I had to do all this check-in on the app, and then there was the lockbox, and it gave me the code to the key, so like I hadn't to talk to anybody. Took about 5-6 minutes to get the truck, moved it over to the door. Since it's so early on the weekend, there was a spot prime right by the door. But if you remember from 2 weeks ago, we're on the second floor. They don't have air conditioning set on the second floor yet, so it's a little steamy, but I've already made some great progress. Mr. Josh Bugg texted me he should be here in about 30, but check this out. So here's our unit. I don't think we showed you too much of it, but it's pretty basic. You got stackable stuff on the left, stackable stuff on the right, and the middle full of tchotchkes and weirdly shaped items. So the biggest hurdle when it comes to moving is dealing with the tchotchke crazy shaped objects. I already got the chair up by myself, I got the mattress out, I got some of these big items here like that are just gonna need to be like cared for and shoved towards the back. So now that when Josh gets here, we can just start grabbing carts. We need to pull the table out and the mirror out and be careful with that, but once that happens, we can start flying with the boxes. Boxes and the coffee table and stuff like that are gonna go in the back of the truck first, and then we'll fill it higher with these miscellaneously shaped things. So great start to the day, super pumped. Look at this stacking job. Look at that stacking job. Sorry, Josh Bugg, but kind of killing it right now, sir. I know he's probably like 5-10 minutes out, but ooh, baby. This is stuff. We can start actually putting that in the truck, and 1 or 2 more of these carts to grab these, and then we'll want to get the bigger items out. Oh, we're looking good. Looking so good. Oh man, I didn't think I'd get that done before Josh got here, but whew, don't worry, Sarah and everybody else. Not overexerting myself. I'm using education, using physics. That was all pivots on the cart until I got into the truck. All this cart, balance, balance, science. All right, so I want to throw this hint out before I forget, because I'm actually doing it right now. The downfall of most of my moves, and I've done quite a few in the past 5 years, has been the tchotchkes, the little things, the annoyances that you put in your car, that you put in the front of the storage unit. And my note to you, my hint, my trick is just to not forget about those as you're filling this truck. So most of this right here is what was in our car while we were Katie's, or with us at Katie's. And what I'm gonna do now is, I got space underneath those tables. I got some space back there that's real thin. I can put the ironing board. I can put some of these bins up there. I can put some of these things underneath the table. I'm gonna do it now because once I get more furniture in there, I won't be able to access that. And that little space is gonna go to waste if I don't use it right now. Look at this, it's nice and empty. Oh, almost empty. And we got a Mr. Josh Bugg. He came and it started flying. It was like magic. We just got a couple of tables, lights, things. Our goal, Josh, we have to do this all on these 2 carts, or else.
Oh, we got it.
Or else we're just leaving it.
Yeah. It doesn't fit.
Done.
Don't need it.
Meanwhile.
The puppy's over there just waiting for something to
I'm waiting.
Katie made us pancakes with chocolate protein almond milk, so they're
A little bit healthy. Oh yeah, they have no oil or anything in them.
Yeah, except for the gigantic thing of oil sitting next to you.
That was 2 grams of pan.
Yeah, because I don't do butter. And they look yummy.
They are really yummy.
Boom. Boom.
Boom.
Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Boom. Look at that. The neatest filling of a truck I've ever seen. Now we gotta unload it. That's not fun. We're not talking about that broken glass noise you're hearing. It is a beautiful day to be moving. There's a tropical storm off the coast. Is it a storm or a depression?
It's depression.
Barely a depression. Josh is ordering acai bowls. We ran into a bit of a 1-2 punch.
A little bit.
We couldn't get into our apartment. Our keys didn't work at first. And then it started pouring on all of our stuff. About like probably 15% of our stuff, all of like the delicate things were out in the parking lot.
Just in the rain.
There's still some stuff in the rain. But it looks like it's lightening up, so Josh is gonna order some acai bowls and we're gonna play it by ear. We'll show you the apartment later. I want Sarah to be here and it to not be soaking wet.
Oh boy.
We're getting there.
We're good. We're good. We're great.
We're good.
Doing great.
Yeah. Look at that, Josh Bugg ordered some acai bowls from around the corner because that's how you do it in Winter Park, right?
That's right.
Also, our TV is questionably. Well, I'm not even gonna turn on till later. I'm gonna let the internal pieces dry a little bit, but that was definitely out in the storm. So.
This is not like kind of like up facing event.
Right. It also spent 2 weeks in an unair conditioned storage unit in Florida, so we're taking some risks. It is 1 p.m. A little bit more delayed than I thought, but
12:57.
thanks to this man right here, we did it. Everything's a little soggy.
Wasn't too bad after the rain.
After we dealt with the rain and I got past the first like 4 feet of like soggy things in the truck, it kind of went flying. So now we're gonna get out of here. I was supposed to be checking into a lunch like right now, but it got pushed back and I don't even know if I can make it. I gotta call Sarah and tell her I think she's gonna have to go without me.
Oh, maybe show up just a little late.
Yeah, maybe. Thank you, Josh.
Hey, you're welcome.
Hopefully these Pepsis are cold. We put Pepsis in the freezer. Cold enough?
Ish.
Enough?
Yeah.
Oh, that's beautiful. I'll tell you can see the castle sticking out over there, over the trees. That view does not get old, leaving the Winter Garden area onto Disney property, coming into this back road. Alright, I didn't end up vlogging at all because literally I walked into Yacht Club and found Sarah and our family members right there.
Yeah. It was an awesome visit, and it's just like...
How much vlogging did you do there? Did you show the food?
I did a clip of the food.
So I have food right here
so
that I'm gonna scarf in the car.
It's really, really good.
But
it's got cheese and it's got mushrooms that taste like bacon. It's really good.
I didn't even make it into the boardwalk, but we ran out of time. We talked through our time, talking family stories and everything. So we have to head back to Katie's to get Eve, and we'll probably stay there until it's shot.
Yeah.
And then we honestly should. When are we doing our grocery stuff? We need to like get a few things like garbage bags and food. Yeah. Well, this is food, but
yeah. Well, maybe we'll like explore what the neighborhood's got and figure
that'd
it
be
out.
fun.
Yeah.
It's spicy.
Yeah, there's spicy mayo, but it's totally vegan. It's new. It's burger and then shiitake mushrooms.
It's all cold.
I'm so
hungry.
sorry.
I don't even care.
We didn't even make it in the parking lot. Eve's off to explore.
Sarah?
Yes.
You're in your new kitchen.
Yay!
This so far I think is one of my top 3 favorite things about the apartment is this kitchen.
The kitchen, yeah. Did you show the arch?
I haven't shown anything. I was waiting for you.
Oh my gosh.
So we put
coming
Josh and
over
I.
here, we have a pantry.
Josh and I put a 12-pack of Pepsis in the fridge so they'd be nice and cold.
Yeah.
There's a little nook with a little sunlight in there for the morn. Little pantry. This fun wall that we're gonna have to decorate. And this is like perplexing to me. I feel like there used to be something else, like they recently redid some of this, because this is like an awkward spacing, but I like that we can decorate it.
Yeah.
And now that I think about it, I'm not even 100% that this was there when we were here 3-4 days ago.
Because this is different than that.
And
But it's nice to have these drawers.
Yeah, recall that we confessed that we had actually signed, like, put a security on this without even seeing it.
I just saw pictures online.
Yes, but we have all this counter space, a washer, double sinks thing.
That is game changing.
Oh, we've been living the past 2 years with just one sink, and it's the worst.
Eva's still exploring.
Eva's exploring. We're pretty certain that the old tenants had an animal, and so she's like smelling that still, even though they deep cleaned the. I just realized we have all this decorating too. But here's my favorite part about the kitchen. So it's got this unique shape to it, but it gets even better. Look at this cool arch into the pillar, and it doesn't interact with this pole, like this beam here, but the beam also has a cutaway here. And then when you come over to this wall, there's just so many little like nuances, like this wall like angles towards the living room, but then when you go in the living room, this wall cuts away. So there's like a line this way and a line that way over here.
Yeah.
Do you want to show them the cool thing I realized today?
I'm interested to see what kind of light we'll get in here. Just imagine curtains and a bed. So we have a bathroom, and Peter's like, wait, our bathroom doesn't have a door. However,
Boom, a sliding door. Pocket door.
Oh my gosh. Cool. And then our closet is in the bathroom. And then there's just like a standing shower in here. And then this is also from like the 1970s, but it's kind of a cute touch. So our room is off the living room. And then the other bedroom
Has double doors.
has double, like, big old doors. And that's nice and big. Another big window. This bathroom.
It's got that wilderness lodge vibe.
Yeah. This one has the bathtub. And then it also goes out to the hallway. So it could be like the guest room's bathroom, but also into the hallway. It poured while they took out a lot from the truck and into the apartment. One of those things being caught in the rain was the TV. So we're gonna see if it works. Ew. Let's see the pictures.
Gotta get a PlayStation or something to hook up to it.
Hi.
Eve, it's time to do a progress update. On the apartment.
Progress.
Ooh, pizza. So we found out something that may be something we have to have a little bit of self-control on with this apartment.
What? There's lots of good stuff.
There's lots of good stuff on Uber Eats,
Our old
DoorDash,
apartment
Postmates.
was like Pizza Hut and Subway.
That was it.
Yeah.
And now we have everything.
Lazy Moon.
Lazy Moon delivered to us.
Delicious favorite pizza that we found.
There was also Tin and Taco. There was all these kinds of delicious places.
Yeah.
And look at it's semi-functional. I have been working. Sarah's been resting, and she FaceTimed a bunch of the family members to show them. But temporary workstation over there, tables out, bench is gonna chill there, foot locker, chair. This is all set up now. I think we might be stealing the old tenant's internet for the time being. I have to look at my Spectrum account because I plugged in the router and all the internet was working right away, so that's cool. Started working on the pantry. Why?
I think there's cheese on these.
One slice of cheese pizza,
I think
artichoke, garlic, roasted
that I
red
never
peppers.
said to
No
take
cheese?
cheese off.
Oh man,
We can try.
we can try.
I chose the toppings and I didn't select a cheese.
Maybe there's a no cheese option. We'll make it work. All right, so the goal I wanted to get to the kitchen because like here's all pots, pans, and everything, but I want to wash all that out, like just wipe it down with clean, hot, soapy water. But I unpacked what we have from Katie's that we were living there in for the fridge stuff. Pantry is loosely organized. I want Sarah to go through that with me to get like final approval. I'm eating those mushy peas very soon, my friends. For the time being, for the next like week or two, this front bedroom is going to be a bit of a storage zone. I couldn't go to bed knowing this was just a mess out here, so I had to get that organized.
Here's our recovery.
Are you trying to take both Jason's mom's sauce?
No, but we did realize that the lime Tostitos contain milk ingredients that we ate a lot of.
Thanks,
So
Jess.
don't eat those.
Don't eat those if you're vegan.
Or
But
if
I
you're
was like, these are
dairy.
so good. Like,
Yeah.
and I look at the bag today. I was like, right in bold black font, contains milk ingredients. I
Yeah.
was like,
Just never assume.
there's a sour cream dust on it. So, oops.
And here is mine after surgery. I have mushrooms, peppers, and basil. What was on yours?
I don't even know. Artichoke, roasted red pepper, garlic, and now a ton of Jason's mom sauce.
Sleepy, sir?
Yeah.
I caught you yawning.
We're still going. I think we're done.
I think we're done. I think
We're
that's
going
the
until
general
just now.
consensus.
It's 11:30. Do you guys know we have a pocket door?
It's awesome. And we took Eve on her first walk.
She did great.
She did great.
So today is by Christopher Reeve. Once you choose hope, anything's possible. Ooh, I dig it. We're officially in our apartment.
We're on the floor because we're going to get a new bed.
It's a way of forcing ourselves. It's kind of like what we did with the couch. Like we gave Matt and Ben our old couch because it forces us to get a new couch. So we're not even going to set up the bed frame for this queen bed in this room. We're going to set it up in the second room. So it'll force us to get a new bed because we're not going to want to sleep on the mattress on the ground for very long.
Yep. So that's our plan.
And tomorrow we do more unpacking.
Yes. It's good to be home.
It's good to be home. And we're going shopping, I think, tomorrow.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.